guys, welcome back to Snapshot Medical Kitchen. Today we're going to be making burritos for Cinco de Mayo. And the thing that I want to talk about that was the health conscious thing for this recipe was avocado. So I am using guacamole. It is store-bought. I just couldn't get all this stuff to make my own guacamole, and I've never even made my own guacamole. That's always somebody else's job for the party, so I haven't done that yet. But avocado, besides being really high in vitamins like vitamin C, K, and D, they also are very rich in omega-3 fatty acids. And omega-3 fatty acids are really important for cholesterol and heart health. These fatty acids are important for cell membranes and things like micelles, which help in the emulsification and the absorption of triglycerides from your blood. So they're not staying in the blood, which has a higher risk for heart problems or atherosclerosis. So the avocados are a really good thing to eat, even though they're high in fat. It's actually good fat, so as long as you eat it in moderation, it's good. And let's see how we're making these chicken burritos. All right, so at the same time, we're gonna just be sauteing some onions. One onion, and we're gonna cook 2 chicken breasts. Now we're just gonna add the seasoning before it really starts cooking to the chicken. So we have a teaspoon of chili powder, teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander, and 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. And we're going to let that simmer, cook the chicken fully, saute the onions fully, and then we're going to use that to form our burrito. Guys, thank you for watching this episode. This was a chicken burrito for Cinco de Mayo, and that's pretty much it. Let's just go ahead and taste it. Hope you guys enjoyed.